So your rotors are what your brake pads is. Your brake pads. Your brake pads kind of sit in here and create friction as you press on your brake pedal. And as that friction starts, you begin to slow down. Friction creates the heat. Heat kind of makes your rotors warp. That's where you're getting your vibration from, or that unpleasant feeling that you get when you're driving down the road and your steering wheel goes. But yeah, that's what a rotor is. It's pretty much the heart of your brakes. When do you need to change or have your rotors serviced? Typically, if you are driving down the road and you press on your brake pedal, you'll get some sort of a vibration, possibly in the steering wheel or in the butt of your seat. That's a good indication that you have something happening with your brake rotors. This is one that we just resurfaced. It's a nice clean surface here. We have a machine. This machine here, it will resurface the rotor, give it a nice clean surface, almost as new. This is a much cheaper option than replacing the rotors. Sometimes there are circumstances when you'll have to replace that rotor, but we kind of address that on an as-needed basis. But typically we're going to resurface your rotor, give you a nice clean surface, save you a little bit of money. This is a rotor that we have not resurfaced yet. We're going to be resurfacing this. It's got some marks and some wear and tear on it. This vehicle also has a vibration. So we'll resurface these rear rotors just as we did with the fronts there and have a nice clean surface. This vehicle will no longer have a vibration.